Hello guys, last 2 weeks I haven't cooked at all. Actually, nobody in the house cooked at all. So have built up this pressure to cook something today. So I don't know what to cook, but I am in the mood to do some experiment today. I want to try cooking like 4 dishes without any idea what I'm gonna do. I'll just buy some random ingredients and then I'm gonna go by intuition. Um, so I'm here at Ranch 99. This is the Asian place. It's got very nice uh, collection of Asian food, and it's a supermarket basically. It has fresh fish. I'm gonna buy like maybe 3 or 4 different kinds and try different dishes. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do something because I wanna fulfill my urges to cook something, and I'm gonna make a video too. So, all right. Place Ranch 99 Market. It's an amazing place. You guys should check it out if you are around this area. This is the entrance of Ranch 99. Look at the size of it. It's pretty big, man. I love it. I'm gonna try this. This place also has nice restaurants inside. Quite a bit of diverse, I shouldn't say diverse, but most Asian regions of different places. So they cover Chinese, Vietnamese, Thai, Korean and everything. So it's pretty good. And alright, got a lot of stuff. Let's go to the meats and fish section. Here's my other favorite section, beer. Yay! Lots of different variety beers from Asia and America. All kind of meats, chicken, gizzards and whatnot. And here's pretty decent collection of sushi. This is caviar, tomago. I think I'll take something. I think this is octopus and sardines. Man, it's got a lot of things. I'm gonna try some. Maybe just tomago for now. I got some of these mackerel pike, and they also have live fish. Always prefer to take live fish if you have an option. Catfish, tilapia, and koi carp. If you do hot pot, these are the ingredients for hot pot. A lot of meatballs. I mean, not really meat, but made out of fish. Lots of different kinds of fruits and vegetables. I'm gonna buy some vegetables to use as ingredients into my dishes that I don't know what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I got some fresh shrimp and one promphret and some ingredients, vegetables and some tom yum soup. I think I'm gonna use it for some curry, coconut milk and Szechuan peppers and Massammon curry paste. And I got some noodles, rice noodles and some sprouts. So let's see how it goes, man. Alright, we have promphret here. I put some turmeric and cayenne pepper and garlic and thyme, and now I'm gonna put some rosemary. Alright, I'm gonna put some lemon and olive oil, and I'm gonna bake this beauty. Alright, I put some more ingredients and olive oil and lemon and salt, and I'm doing the same, not exactly the same. This is ginger garlic, and this is just plain pure turmeric, cayenne pepper and salt. I don't know what I'll add next, but I'll let you know. I put it in the oven at 400 for maybe 30 minutes. Alright. So in a pan I put some chili flakes with oil and some mustard seeds and some cumin seeds. Alright, I'm gonna fry this fish in that. Alright, our fish is slightly marinated. Now we're gonna put it in the pan. It's got nice sizzling sounds. Alright man, that looks good. While my fish is cooking, I'm gonna peel these and devein these shrimp. These look beautiful, but I think it requires some cleaning, so let's do that. Alright, let's see how this is going. It's going good. Let's flip the fish now. After about 5 minutes of cooking on each side, I think it should be pretty much close to done. Alright, let's turn on the fan, put the lid back on. Beauty man, beauty. This is beauty. Alright, here's what it looks like now after it's done. It's amazing. I like it, the way it looks. Alright, now in the same pan, add some onions. This is for the next fish, alright? Time to microwave some tomatoes for quicker cooking. I do it for like 1 minute and then put it in the pan. Now it's time to taste some of this fish that we made. This one, and I'm gonna take a little bite and see how it goes. It's pretty good. Maybe it requires some more lemon or something. I like it. It's like $1.15 the whole fish, a pound of fish. Can't complain. Comes out pretty good. Yeah. So this is microwaved tomato, and I just add it to the pan to save some time to cook tomatoes by themselves. See how the fish is coming. Oh wow, it looks like it's pretty well done. Time to turn it off. Alright. I can take it off now. Fish is looking good, man. Maybe it's time to taste. Alright, I flipped the fish and it's looking good underneath. Alright. Alright, let's taste some of it. It's very hot. Woo. Oh my god. It's beautiful. This is really good. Oh man, I love this fish. So this fish came out really well. It's got some Italian spices, the thyme and rosemary, and man, it's got olive oil in it, and it is tasting just simply amazing. I think the other fish was not that great. It was okay, but this one is like, oh my god, this blew my mind. This is amazing. I love this. I'm not faking. All right, I'm gonna taste one more bite. Oh fuck. It's hot, don't touch it.
I want to eat it.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to you, serve it to you. It's really good. This is what we're gonna do next. Massammon curry. So stir 1 pack of curry paste with 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Okay. Add 150 grams of well cut favorite meat and 3 cups of coconut milk. 3 tablespoons of palm sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and tamarind paste. Alright. Add well cut onion, potatoes, roasted peanuts. Alright, we'll do that. So this is Massammon curry paste in oil. Just stir it up for 1.5 minutes like they said. Alright, here we have cleaned shrimp and Massammon curry paste. Add the shrimp and coconut milk. Alright, that looks good, man. And 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Fish sauce is quite amazing. It's tastes the flavor, changes the flavor, adds flavor to your dish so much that it's pretty impressive. And 3 tablespoons of tamarind paste. Alright. I don't have palm sugar, so I'm gonna add some jaggery. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna scoop that there. Alright, come on, fall, baby, fall. Alright, there you go. Alright, here is our Massammon curry with shrimp in it. And I've got some bed of rice with sprouts and onions, and I'm gonna serve myself some Massammon curry with nice shrimp. Alright, man, this looks really good and yummy. Yay! Serving this to wife and serving myself the bigger bowl. Yeah. Time to enjoy. Here's the shrimp. Man, it's got a lot of flavors in it. Some sweet, some sour, and coconut milk. Yeah.
Crunch.
Crunch. Ah, man. I never thought I could make such kind of dishes at home. This is very typical of a Thai restaurant food. Massammon curry with shrimp. Alright. Have fun, guys. It's been a great experiment today. I'm gonna see you next time. I don't know when that next time's gonna be. Alright, bye.